So, good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Live with Bhushan show. So, today a very wonderful personality with us, that is Vikram Kamble. So, let's see. Please wait. He is joining. Am I him? So, hi. How are you, Vikram
Hello.
bhai?
Yeah,
Yeah. How are
I'm good. I'm good. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, I can hear you,
Yeah.
and you are audible to me.
Thanks for this session, man. Can we wait for 2 minutes so that
Yes,
few
sure,
people may
sure.
join?
Okay. Till audience is joining, please give us your hero introduction.
Hero introduction.
Do you
so,
know hero introduction?
yeah. Let me
Okay.
start now.
Okay.
Thank you. First of all, thanks a lot, Bhushan. It really means a lot. Taking me live, uh, asking me on that Facebook post to come live.
Okay.
It really means a lot. So, to start with, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining all the people.
Thanks.
To start with, my name is Vikram, and I completed my 10th in Pune, and then I came to Mysore. I stayed with my uncle, and then I completed my uh, 11th and 12th, and then I completed my bachelor degree also
Hmm.
in
Okay.
engineering, computer science. And
Okay.
after that, from past 4 years, I am in e-commerce world.
Okay.
I'm in e-commerce world now, and continuing doing job in Bangalore. And that was
Okay.
long story short. And along with this, I am started my thing which I'm really passionate about, to empower people, to
Okay.
empower lives of all the people around me. So
Oh.
yeah, that was
Yeah.
like
Wow.
heroic introduction, I think so.
Yeah. This is the hero introduction. Hero introduction. And thanks.
Yeah,
And I welcome all the audience for joining us in live. And please stay till the end. You will get more value in this live session.
exactly.
So yeah, yeah. So let's start. I saw your 30 days, 30 IGTV challenge. So tell about that, how you started and what is the result of that.
Yeah, so with that Rahul Bhatnagar mentorship, with he telling that adding videos on daily basis, that was the
Okay,
thing that I kept in my mind. And then I thought
okay,
that let's put this into the challenge. Let's have that 30 days putting videos on daily basis, adding
okay,
something which will create values for the people. And in this 30 days, I never stopped. It was that I was doing my job whole day. I was thinking about the content and the topic which I was getting in Rahul's VIP group. I
okay,
was working on them, and
okay,
once I was working on them, in the evening I used to come and I used to make that video, no matter what, no matter the people are saying, no matter my look, whatever it is.
okay, okay,
So I didn't care about all that. It was just that 30 days I need to put that 30 contents, and let me see like what is there for that customer, like what is there for my audience, and what
okay,
can they get, the values, the strategies. So that was all about, and I kept going. I completed that, and after 30 days, I posted that like 30 days, 30 content, and this boosted me. This was like an pat on my back where I keep on doing
okay,
something on a regular basis. So that was
okay,
the thing, and it really helped me in communicating to build that confidence.
okay. That's great. And to do this,
Yeah.
you should have to you have broke your comfort zone, right? So
Yes.
yeah, many people think that how to break our age of comfort zone and achieve our dreams. So tell us about something that how to break that comfort zone.
See, to breaking the comfort zone, I feel that if you are in age from like 18 to 40,
Okay,
what are those things which you are doing? So like most of the time it happens that people want to relax, they want to sit back, they want the things to happen on its own. But this is just an illusion. It never happens. If you're sitting
okay,
back and if you're just relaxing, it will happen that at 50, 60 age you will regret.
okay,
And you being in comfort zone now, thinking about like I won't do anything, I will be sitting back and I will be
hmm,
just having that all the fun, I will be just chilling out,
Okay.
then that will definitely end in the wrong place in your 50s and 60s. And if you
Okay.
don't want to be sad in 50s and 60s, I want you to get off the comfort zone now. You need to take that action. You need to
Okay.
figure it out which things gonna work for you. You need to try and taste things. And hustling is the key. You need to get out of the comfort zone, because Bhushan, I would like to tell you that when we were small, when we were kid, and when we were about to walk, we fall many times. So
Yeah.
falling and again getting back and like walking was that better zone than sitting
Yeah.
in, like that kid sitting in the place where she won't be able to walk, or like she's sitting back and thinking that I won't be able to walk. So that didn't
Okay.
happen. So we all are witnessed this, like we have witnessed this, like from the start only.
Yeah.
Whenever we are out of the comfort zone, we gain something much better. We gain something out of it, and staying in comfort zone will not take you anywhere in this life, is what I feel.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
And I want to ask one question regarding this also. If someone is
yeah.
above 40 and they want to break their comfort zone, what they should have to do that? If they are saying that I'm too old, I'm busy, like that.
Yeah. So your question is like who the age, like who are above 40 years, if they want to
Yeah.
get off the comfort zone, they have
Yeah.
that age barrier, they have that age blocker that
Yes.
no, my
Yes.
age
Yeah.
is. Yeah. So for that, I would like to tell you, see, 40 years also is not a big age. 40, 45, 50 years also, it's not
Okay.
that big age. Like we have 50 more years to go. We have two more lives to live. So
Okay.
even at that phase, even at 45, 50 years, I still feel that we are just a kid. We haven't started
Hmm.
anything. So
Okay.
just having that mindset, having that self-awareness that even at
Hmm.
45 I can do something, even at 50
Hmm.
I can do something. And comfort zone is, it's just like a cage where you are putting in, like you are putting yourself in the cage and not doing something. So
Okay.
if you have that self-awareness, even at age of 45, 50, 55, 60, whatever it is, you can really do the thing and do what you love. That's the key.
Okay, do what you know. This is the key. Okay, that's
Yeah,
great. So
yeah.
I also like to ask you one more question. That
Bhushan, like
is
sorry
there
to
any
interrupt you,
special rule
friends.
for?
Few friends who have joined, like my
Yes,
old mates Kiran and all. Welcome to
yes.
this live session.
Okay, welcome all friends.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to ask one question regarding about taking initiative. Is there any special rule or any secret to taking initiative? Many people think that I should have to take initiative. I'm just thinking that, and they didn't take any initiative. So tell us about how to take initiative.
So taking initiative falls again back to the self awareness. So if you
Okay,
have that awareness in yourself, if you know that where I wanna go and what you want to chase, then only you will start taking that initiative. And
okay,
starting initiative is like just like you doing something which you really love, you doing
okay.
something which will help you in your
Hmm,
50s and 60s, you taking up
hmm,
that action to make your life
hmm.
better, because
Okay,
everyone wants to be happy, everyone wants to be
okay,
successful, not in terms of
okay.
money, but in terms of having that happy life.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you're not taking any initiative, if you're not starting anything, if you're not doing
Hmm.
anything, if you're just sitting back and relaxing, then you should be aware about that this will not gonna take me long. This will not help me in
Okay,
getting big results. So
okay,
initiative, taking that action is all the game about. You need to take that action. You need to start doing something. And initiative, like if you start taking some initiative, it will happen that you will fail a lot, but when
okay.
you start living the failures also, you will
Hmm.
start creating miracle. Because even at the age of 30, 45, we, like most of the people who are in age of 30, 35, 40, they haven't figured it out what they're doing with their life. But if you're in 20s, 25, 30s, if you're starting something, if you're doing something, if you're utilizing all these social platforms, if you're putting content, then you will end up in something really very good. You will be happy about that. Yeah, I did something. I started with something, and if it works for you, it's fine. If it doesn't work, still it is fine. But you
Okay,
will not regret. You will not regret in your older age, when you will think like, I wish I could have did this. I wish I could have done this. So
okay,
that's the key.
okay. That's great. And one more question arises in my mind about negativity. Many people say that I can't stop my negative thought, and how do I convince my mind to do good things?